Bosch Dishwasher, common causes of flashing red lights. The red light flashing on a Bosch dishwasher signals a problem. Understanding common causes helps fix the issue fast. Several parts can stop the dishwasher from starting properly. Most issues are simple and easy to check. Some need a professional's help. Knowing the main causes saves time and stress. Power supply issues. Power problems are a frequent cause of flashing red lights. The dishwasher may not get electricity due to a tripped breaker or unplugged cord. Loose connections or damaged power cables also stop the machine from working. Check the power source first to rule out these simple problems. Door latch problems. The dishwasher won't start if the door latch is faulty. The machine senses if the door is closed and locked. A broken or loose latch sends an error signal, causing the red light to flash. Inspect the latch for damage or misalignment. Secure the door firmly to ensure it locks. Water supply interruptions. Dishwashers need water to run cycles. A blocked or shut-off water valve stops water flow. The dishwasher detects this and flashes the red light. Check the water supply hose for kinks or clogs. Make sure the valve is open and water pressure is normal. Drainage blockages. Drain problems can trigger the red light too. Clogged filters or drain hoses stop water from leaving the dishwasher. This causes an error and stops the cycle. Clean the filters and remove any debris. Inspect the drain hose for bends or blockages. Faulty control board. The control board